kindergarten science class. Today our young scientists explored buoyancy with diving sea animals. Using cause and effect, they built their own divers with straws, plastic animals, paper clips and modelling clay. Then they applied pressure by squeezing the bottle. The fish dived and then they released it and the fish floated back up. Such a fun hands-on experience. That's it. You've done it, you've got it. Squeeze the bottle, watch. 3, 2, 1. Huh? Wow, and let go. What? Yeah. Everybody have a go. You've got to squeeze.
S Science. T Technology. And E Engineering. M Mathematics. STEM STEM. STEM STEM. S Science. T Technology.